Hi guys, this is one of my random mixing things together from my junk pile projects. What we're looking at here is a fan-driven rubber band powered car that I did on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel. What we have here is a little radio controlled car. From the radio controlled car, I've just pinched the little receiver which only does forwards and backwards. It doesn't do steering. I've directly soldered onto it a connection for a battery. And on the other end of it, I've directly soldered this electric motor, which happens to be out of a different electric car. No particular reason for that, other than this is a nice modular gearbox and motor, whereas if I wanted to use the one out of the car, I'd have to start cutting the bodywork up to be able to use the gearbox. Bit of insulation off of some electric wire there, which I'm going to fit on there. And you can probably guess where we're going here. We're going to have a forwards backwards electric fan car rather than rubber band powered. I need to put a bit of floor plate there somewhere. I'll get a bit of cardboard or something and stick it all together, and then we'll see if we get enough power out of that fan to push it forwards and backwards. So back in a minute. All up together. We'll see if it works. We'll have a closer look in a minute. Okay, how about the other way? Well, it's not exactly shooting along. Oh, it's picking up speed now. I bet we can't stop it by going in reverse. Oh, yes we did. Go on, you can do it. Oh, not quite. Try and rock it. There must be a tiny bit of a slope there. Yeah. Yeah, now we're going. Well, it works. Oh, stuck next to the plant. Okay, we'll have a closer look now. So what we have, I just put a bit of cardboard across the chassis. The motor and gearbox is just sticky tape in place. That is actually the charger for that battery, which is a couple of vape batteries in parallel. So we're getting about 4 volts when it's freshly charged. And then, well, sometimes my wireless microphone breaks my heart. I was just giving you a full explanation on the parts of that car, and the microphone died. Okay. We'll do it this way without the wireless microphone. So what we have is motor and gearbox out of a toy car, the receiver out of that radio controlled toy car I showed you. I've directly soldered onto it with the wires to the motor and the wires to that, which is actually the charger for those vape batteries. I've got 2 of them in parallel, so they're still only giving us 3.7 to 4.2 volts, but we're given a bit more capacity by having 2 in parallel. I put a bit of cardboard on the chassis of the rubber band powered fan driven car, just to hold it all in place. That yellow and green bit there is a bit of insulation tubing off some wire, just using it to link between the axle of the gearbox and the shaft of the fan. And I think that's about it. I'll put a link in the video description to the put a rubber band on it video where I made the fan driven car. I'll put a link in the video description to vape batteries. I think that's about it really. This was just an exercise in putting bits together, scavenging bits from various places just to see if it worked. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.